Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my September project pan update. I'll be showing you how I did in August with my project pan items and just giving an update for September. If you're wondering what is on my lips right now, it is the J.cat Lipfinity matte lip, and it is so thin. Like, it's a very thin formula. It doesn't cover my lips at all, and if that's why it looks bad on my lips, it's because this product is actually not that good at all. So I just wanted to say that because you may be wondering what's on my lips, because it's so deep and dark and fall-like. And for my shirt, I really like this. It says, I can't remember what it says right here, but it says a little like stitch thing, and this is from Ardene's. It's really cute and the perfect color for fall, because this yellow is so in right now. And since I'm going through what I'm wearing, I might as well tell you that on my eyes today, I am wearing the Colourpop shadow in So Quiche, and as well as the e.l.f. cream eyeliner. And I'm also wearing the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics Dark Magic palette. And if you want my review on that, then comment down below, because I'm debating if I want to upload that or not, because it's so controversial, and I do have my opinions on it. So let's just start off with the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in So Quiche. I used it 3 times this month, and last month I don't think I used it at all. And here's just what it looks like. It's like a antique / green with purple shimmer in it. And this is actually getting really dry, but it does have payoff when I swatch it, so it's not too bad, but there's a lot of pan showing. I really don't think this is all going to be gone by the end of a year, but I don't know for sure yet. Then I have another Colourpop shadow in the shade Get Lucky. I used it 6 times this month. Compared to last month, I only used it once. And if you want to see the July and August update, you can check it in the eye right here. And this is what it looks like this month. And there's a little bit of pan showing, but usually when I swatch it, there's more pan that's showing and stuff. So I am getting down to the very last bit of product. Sorry about that interruption. My new puppy just peed on the floor. Now she's eating, so if you hear that in the background, sorry. But anyways, I don't know for sure if I said in last month's video if I'm going to be throwing this out, and I didn't use it once this month, so I am going to be discontinuing this in my project pan, and also I'm not going to be using this anymore. It's just too old and I don't want to risk anything. Next is the e.l.f. cream eyeliner in just black, and I used it 4 times this month, and there's quite a big hole. I don't know if you can tell, but it has been used quite a bit, and there's a pretty big divot in it. Definitely not all the way gone, and it won't be at the end of the year, I can tell you that much. Black eyeliner is probably hard to use up. Now I have this, is the Boutique black eyeliner, just pencil liner, and I used it 6 times this month. As you can see, we're just this little nubbin right here. We only have the letter B left on here, and that's what we were marking this by. I think last month we still had B-E-A-U on it, so it's pretty tiny right now, and I'll keep using it until I can't grip it anymore. Then we have the Wet n Wild lipstick in the shade Just Peachy 903C. I used it 3 times in the month of August. Well, I don't think much has changed in how much is left, but I really hate this lipstick, and I hate the packaging, and it's so greasy, and it's not very comfortable, and it just cakes up on your lips. It's not very flattering at all, so I'll try to keep using it, but don't be surprised if I don't use it next month. So with Josie Maran Coconut Watercolor Eyeshadow out of my project pan, I may be adding one next month. I'll see in September what I want to add, and then next month you'll have to stay tuned to see what I did add into it, and what I'm going to try and use up. To see the project pan playlist, it'll be in the end card of this video, and also my last month video will be in there as well. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me through the summer months. I know I didn't post much at all, but I've been very busy, stressed out, and you know, whatever. But I hope you guys stick around for my next uploads, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!